Well, it's April the 8th here in North Idaho. And of course, last week was 55 degrees up here. Last night, you can see what happened. Probably got 3, 4, 5 inches here in the parking lot. Nothing but purity up on the mountain. And what a change from last week's spring weather. It's still warm out. It's gonna be an interesting day. I think it'll pack down like mashed potatoes in about an hour, but we'll see. So it's a quad chair, comes in, feeds up on the right side. It's set up for 4 people, skiers, all facing forward. 3 snowboarders on this would be a crowded chair. Make sure that you're loaded up with the right and left people in the right spots, and you'll have the room. 4 would be extremely tight on the offload.
There's nothing on here.
So over Ted's shoulder there is the parking lot, which has been extremely full most of the season.
Yeah.
Looking out here on the slopes, I feel like the Long Ranger in Tonto. Very few tracks. These tracks are put in here right now by one guy and a couple patrollers. And you can see this guy coming down here, how much snow is building over the top of the skis. So it's going to be an interesting day. Don't know how long it'll last. Obviously it's a snowboard channel, so we're going to kind of throw things around. We didn't get out here first, though. The skiers will beat us out. So this is an example of, again, April the 8th, 2021. Winter's over. Right? Wrong. So again, I'm going to talk a little bit today about the safety and the loading of chairs. You notice I started that way, and the reason for that is I've had some problems with chairlift loads, offloads, and ramps this season. And I don't know if I can attest that to me just getting older or some small things being overlooked. So we'll cover things from my point of view. So momentarily, you guys can see that I'm sitting here straight forward knees and where my board is hanging. In order for me to turn for the offload, I'm going to move my butt further left so I can get my board in a straight line here. And then I'm going to have to hang over the edge and actually project myself off of this and down. So what happens is, if I stay square, which I was here, you see where the board is. That's not a good thing on an offload. And my back is against the back of the chair. So that would be bad. Ted should be coming up here, and this is his offload. He's turned very much to the sideways position, stands up, doesn't touch the chair, and rides down. So part of the problem here is the length of the down run and how much time you have to prepare for that offload. For me, my legs are longer. I've got to turn more. It takes me longer to get out of the chair, which can relate to a problem. We'll take a look at another chair. We're going to talk a little bit again about this being a double riblet chair, which has not been modernized and is not really safe for a boarder. You can see how quick it turns. Those seats are meant for straight off riders and an immediate drop. So if I can get a skier coming up here in a minute, you'll see just how quick the ski drops at that fulcrum point right there. The chair stays on the high side. The ground is dropping weight radically and too quick, not allowing you to stand and balance over your feet. So here comes a couple of boarders, and we'll be able to watch and see that drop. And you'll see just how fast the boards drop over the fulcrum point. Sorry, they're not boarders, they're skiers. But it doesn't make any difference. You will see the skis drop within seconds of being on the ground here. Well, the 2R boarders coming. This is actually a problem. You can see they're squared up in the chair. They're trying to get sideways. They can hardly get sideways. So they're taking a slow. Boom, boards drop, bang. That's how fast it is. The skiers will stand up. You'll watch the skis fall over the end. Boom, drop. So my point of this is that the riblet chairs are tight with the 2 arms, one up the center and one on each side. That kind of pins the hips of a large rider or adult-sized people. into the chair and doesn't allow you to take that slide to the left to turn your hip. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. Stay safe. Enjoy your areas. Silver Mountain also has a Riblet chair over on chair 4 here in North Idaho. Hope you like this video. It's informative and helpful. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment, anything you want to say. We're here for you. Season's wrapping up. We got about 5 days left of riding time, and we'll be out there every day meeting new people and making the shred pass ahead.